You can go to Confluence. Okay. Um, Database user stories. Can you open? mm, Okay, you have this one, right? That's okay, no problem. We can use this page. Okay, SQL. User story one, database verification. So this user story is going to be very generic. Um, yeah, enter number one, user story, database verification. Okay. So these user stories are going to be generic. Okay, Sean, but uh,
Okay.
you can modify it. It's kind of you will have a template. So you will have a template for you had the template for the front end user story, right? Three type: registration,
Yes.
login, and I don't recall it one more. And you can modify the front end user story based on your project. And for database also, we'll have one or two user stories, generic user stories, and you can modify um, based on your project. Okay, that's the main idea. Again, for the database user stories as a BA, you don't need to execute any code unless you are supporting any production bug or like any technical project. Day to day, um, for me, I use because I work a lot of the backend related technical projects. So, but I don't know, as a beginner project, if needed, I'm not sure, but most probably like you will not use create command anything, select only. So you have to master on like how to how to select, mean load the data, how to sort the data, some aggregation functions, those kind of things like for the reporting, very useful. So the before we go to the user story, let's write one important. Let's write the queries here first. Then we'll move to the user story. Okay. So first one, step one. Yeah, can you remove the user story? Sorry, Sean. Thinking
Okay.
very out loud. Yeah. So step one for us. Step one, create database. Okay. Right. Create database. Okay. So create database. Again, you don't need to create any databases, I'm telling, as a business analyst. But the first step is to creating the database to access the table. You want to know the database. Okay. So that's how we can create. So in this DB browser, we have to create a database. So there is a good website. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Just open one Google tab. I'll tell you. Um, I forgot that. Sorry, I'm just thinking. W3 school. Yeah, just type W3, W3, yeah, schools, SQL. Just select SQL, W3 school sequels. I forgot to mention. Yeah, so click that first link. Okay, this is a very good site. You can practice even with sample data without having the database. Okay, so now go to the SQL intro. Just go to SQL intro. I'll show you the first left side tab. Left side tab, you see? No, no, no. In the W3 skill website, SQL
Yeah.
intro. Yeah, SQL intro. Click that one. So, okay, scroll down. So you know what is a SQL. Okay, and just scroll down. Scroll down. I just want to show you the database portion. Uh, yeah.
Where?
No, no, not this one.
Okay.
You see somewhere. Okay. You see. Okay, database tables. Okay, this is a table view. Um, Okay, can you scroll down a little bit? Okay, here. Scroll up, scroll up. Okay, so you see the most important SQL commands. Okay, and this you can have in a Confluence. You see, select exact data from database, update, update. Yeah, let's read it one time, then you can copy.
Okay.
Yeah, so select if when you want to load the data, so you use the select command. Okay, if you want to update, you need to use update. If you want to delete, you need to delete. If you want to um, insert data into your tables, you have to use insert into. So the create database, that's the command I was looking for, create database. So alter database and create table, alter table, drop table, create index, drop index. So here you will not use anything. So I would say only you have to familiar the first one, select one, okay, with the select and update. Even in when you are working, you will not have permission for update, uh, but we can do do some practice for select and update and delete today after creating the database. Okay, so you can, you don't need to copy. You can just copy this link and you can have it in your Confluence page whenever you need. You can come to this particular section and you can read it. Even it's good for before your interview. You don't need to install anything. You can click and execute also here. Okay,
Okay.
just have this link. Um,
Can I paste it here?
yeah, you can keep it there. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So the step two for us to create a table. Okay. That's the first one. Step two, create a table. So this website is really good for practice. Uh,
Okay.
okay. Then now you can navigate to that W3 school. See, create a table. Can you scroll down? Somewhere they will show you. Scroll down. See. Okay. No. No, we are in SQL select. I want to go to intro only. Okay, scroll up. Yeah. Okay. Go to the table section. Okay. Tables, database table. Okay. Okay, hold on. Can you read it? What they're saying, the table here?
Yeah, a database most often contains one or more tables. Each table is identified by name, example, customers or orders, and contain records, which is rows with data. In this tutorial, we'll see well-known Northern sample database. Yeah,
Okay. So the important is row column. It's like a spreadsheet. Okay. You know, right? We already discussed. The
yeah,
um, rows are, you can see the first we call as record. The number one is a record, number two is a record. So entire row, the customer name, customer um, contact name, address, city, postal code, country, everything is one row. The column or the field, you can see customer name, so individual items. Okay, so that's a row and column. Okay, so now we can go to our Confluence page for um, third one. So do you need the command here also, the every step? What is the command we
now
use?
I will navigate here in W3.
Okay,
Okay,
okay. So next one, next step three, insert data. So maybe under um, each table, each section, can you write the command also, so that will be easy for us. Step one,
okay, no problem.
yeah, create database. Yeah. Or you can just go there and copy and paste. Just go to that page, scroll down. Oh, yeah. So create database. Now, with the command. So these are very important for you for the interview. You just paste it. Okay. Create table. Okay. Okay. Insert data. Insert into.
We should not give only insert, right? We will
Yeah,
type all the
yeah,
insert
insert
into.
into, then values also you need to give. Just so I'll tell you. Okay. Okay. So insert into, then next you can type table name. No, no, sorry. After insert into, you see insert into. You see insert into, right? Just type table.
Yes.
After into, just type table name. Table name. Name. No, no, no space. Just put a hyphen there if you want to write space. No, the not dash, hyphen, like underscore. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Table name. And after table name, then put a parenthesis there. Okay. And field names, or like a column name. Column one, column two. Just write column one. No, no space. Okay. Every time you are
Sorry.
writing syntax, no space. If you need a space, you have to give the hyphen. Okay. Column two. Okay. Column name, column two. You can write one more column, column three, column three. Okay. Close the parenthesis. So you can, you know the idea, right? The keyword is insert into, then you have to write the table, which table you want to insert the data. The next one is columns, what columns you are going to insert. And now you have to write values, uppercase, VALUES, values. No, no, in the same
Where?
line. Yeah, you can write in the same line. Or like you can write in the second line also, no problem if you like it. But it's together. No, no. Can you write in the same line? Otherwise, you'll get confused.
Okay.
Let it be there inside new database. After parentheses, you can write. Yeah. Values, uppercase, all upper. SQL is not case sensitive, but I recommend you to write uppercase. Values. Now, inside the parentheses, close. Close the parentheses also.
Okay.
Okay. Now, place your cursor in between, middle. Okay. So how many columns we provided here? Three, right? So you have to provide three type of data, right? You can write value one, value two, value three, comma. But one thing you have to remember, Sean, okay? Um, can you write value two with quotes, value two and value three? Just put quotes.
No.
But yeah,
Okay.
because
Okay.
value one we think number field, value two and value three we think like a text field. So if you're writing text field, write inside the quotes, okay? But you have to open quotes and close quotes. So beginning of the value three, no, 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 not value three. So go to value, just from the beginning. Yeah,
So,
so put a quotes. Then you don't need before two.
yeah. I will
Just move
delete
before
it.
two. Okay. And same thing. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now. Okay. So this is how you will enter. We can write the command for the table also. Okay, just go for the second step. Okay. So create table, and after you write the keyword, you write the table name. Okay, table name, table name. So table name in, you have to give the table name. Okay, now insert, give a parenthesis. Okay, so here next one you will write enter, press enter. Okay, can you remove that create new table? Remove that one. Okay, can you remove the bullet also? Okay, okay. So now write column 1. Okay, column 1. Column 1. So maybe, yeah, so here we will, you have to write data type, okay, here. So we uh, leave a space. Maybe we can write, for example, integer, IN, write uppercase, INTEGER, TEGER, okay. So space, write primary key, PRIMARY, PRIMARY, primary key, okay, comma, comma, okay, enter. Okay, so here maybe the customer ID or the unique ID, unique identifier is the primary key. Okay, so that's a column 1. Second one, column 2, column 2, no, together, okay, yeah, text, just put text, 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 comma, enter, uh, column 3, column 3, text also. Okay, yeah, now enter, close the parenthesis. No, we only, like, you can add
Okay.
more columns if you need. Okay, and close the statement. That symbol. No, the other one. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay. So this is how, always when you want to create a table, you can use the create table keyword, and you can write the table name, and you can just add one primary key. Okay, what will be the unique identifier, and you can add column, whatever column you can add, text, integer, whatever, how many number here in our table. Can you tell me how many columns will be?
3.
Three, right? So three columns will be there. Okay, um all right. Okay, so now let's go to the insert data. Okay, insert data. Okay, we have insert data, right? So remove the insert data, end of this that line. Just we don't need that one, remove that. No, that remove that hyphen also. Otherwise, you'll get confused. You just close the parenthesis and put the close the statement also there, so that you can copy and paste it. Yeah. So if you want to enter one more record, you can just copy and paste. Just change the value. Okay.
Yeah, value numbers only, right?
Yeah, so when we insert the data, we can see. So just can you go to that my sorry, the website we are looking into? Do you see any sample insert? So you see insert into, there is left side you see. Yeah, go down, insert into. Okay, so here let's see, slowly go up little bit. So the SQL insert into state. The insert into, hold on, okay, insert into statement used to insert new records in a table. If it is possible to write insert into statement in two ways. Okay, you see the sample they are giving, right? Insert into table name, column number 1, 2, 3, and values you're gonna do. Okay, so that's the syntax you have to write. Syntax 2, let's see, can you scroll down? Okay, so otherwise you can write insert into table name values. Yeah, so here they're saying you can write without the uh, columns also, because here what will happen, let's say if you don't provide columns in your table, you have only 3 columns. If you provide 3 values, and the data will go to the respective columns. You got it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, if you specifically, you can write also the column name, and you can tell the values where it will go. So it's saying if you insert values for all the columns, hold on, don't scroll up. I'm reading the second one. If you insert values for all the columns of the table, you can omit the column names. However, the order of values must be in the same order as the column in the table, right? So that we have to take care.
Okay.
Okay. Can you down? Okay, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, so this is the data. That's it. Okay. So we'll go to the next one. Now, um, your Confluence. Insert data. Now, number 4, view data for us. View data or load data, whatever you prefer. Inside the bracket, you can write select. No, just write select. Select.
Okay.
Okay. So select. Um, okay. Enter. Okay. Can you write a select command? How do you write? You start with the keyword select. Yeah. And space. And whatever the field name you want, right? Like you can write column 1, column 2, just write 1, comma, column 2, column 3. Okay. And table space from, no, from uppercase, no, uppercase, that's a keyword. No, uppercase, space, table name, and close the, close the statement. Okay. Enter one more line. Okay, now write again the select. This is the specific field. Let's say if you want to know column 1 and column 2, you can write like that. Okay, so you can give the column name there. Otherwise, if you need all the columns, you have to you can put the asterisk there, star mark there, asterisk. Okay, and now you can rest everything same from the table name. So there are 2 ways. Okay, so you can write. Um, okay.
Yeah,
Next,
to view the entire data, we can give this asterisk,
yes,
right?
that's right. But in production call, never give this one because it's gonna take a while, like 10 minutes, 15. Sometime the system will crash also because there are millions and billions of
Yeah,
records are there. So it's not recommended to give. That's why the next command is very important. Step 5, you can, do you want to see something in this there, what you call the W3? Just navigate to W3, you can just see select command somewhere. Yeah, after syntax. Go up. You're very fast. Yes. So you see select command. So click the here there what they're doing. Select customer name and city from customers table, right? So can you scroll down and see if the table is there? Yeah. So this is
Yeah.
the table. So they have how many columns they have here?
7.
Seven. Okay. So can you tell me what is the primary key here?
Customer ID.
Customer ID is the primary key because it's a unique identifier, right? To
Yeah.
see for each customer. Okay. So now let's go up and we can try it up. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Okay. So click that green button, try it up cell. So see if you can get the result. Okay. Run SQL, run SQL. Click this. Yeah. Okay. You see, only you are seeing 91 records are fetched. And hold on, don't scroll down. I just want to show you the column name. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Column name and city. Can you scroll up your command? Okay, so you see, you are asking only the column. So can you modify this one? Remove the customer name and just put asterisk. Remove both of them. Remove the command. Remove entire statement and just place with asterisk. No, 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 no. No, remove
So remove.
only the column name. Just take the city also.
Okay.
No, no. Why do you paste? Remove from city. I want to now only it's giving two columns, right? I want to see all the date, all the columns in the table.
Okay.
So just put asterisk there. Yeah. Now run SQL. So you see all the data. That's only thing I want to show you.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's go to where condition. Like we want to sorry fetch specific keyword only.
From where we enter this customer ID, we don't have customer ID right here.
Do you
It's a
want to?
primary key.
Yeah, if you want to know the customer ID, you have to write customer ID also. Other, you already, because now if you put asterisk, you are seeing all the columns, right? You see customer ID also there in the down. Its entire table is displayed.
Okay.
You see, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Customer ID is displayed. Okay. So now I just go to that page. Yeah, go there. No, no, the your SQL editor. The that where okay. So you want to see the customer ID, write customer ID. Same like no, you have to follow the you see how the database fields are there, otherwise it won't work. Okay. You have to type the exact same name,
Okay.
comma, not apostrophe. Okay. What else you want to see with the customer ID? And do you want to see customer name or contact name? Which one?
Go with address.
Okay. Yeah. And just put address. Yeah. Now execute and see run SQL. Yeah. You see customer ID and the address. Right?
Okay. Fine.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now go back to your Confluence. Okay. Step 5, how to edit put a filter there. That's the most important we want to learn. Okay. Filter. Just go to right filter data.
Sorry, 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Filter data. Yeah.
Yeah. So right inside the bracket where where when
It's a
you
command, right?
yeah, it's a command. Okay. So
Okay.
now enter. No, just close. Okay, enter. This is the heading. Where is the command? Okay, how do you write? You just repeat the select command again. Don't be lazy, just type. No, 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 no copy paste.
Okay.
You just write
Select.
select asterisk. No, no, you don't need to column one, column two like that. Just write
Okay.
asterisk all from table name. Now you will write where space where keyword, that one. Okay. And now example, uh, which column you want to filter, right? Write column name, column one, column one equal value one. Okay. So now you close the statement. Um, we will resume this call after, because it's going to end our call. You can save it, update, you publish this one. We'll practice in the second call. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you can take a break, and I'll send you the link after 5, 6 minutes. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. No problem. Bye.
Bye.